friends, welcome to another Would You Rather. In this game, you have 10 seconds to choose between two choices, and then you have 30 seconds to do the matching exercise. Would you rather walk into a cave with a lion inside or walk into a cave with thousands of spiders? If you chose the lion, jog in place. If you chose spiders, you're doing squats. Would you rather be a wildlife researcher or a wildlife photographer? If you'd rather be a researcher, dance in place. If you'd rather be a photographer, balance in ballerina pose. Would you rather work with endangered animals or clean up their habitats? If you'd rather work with the animals, do some tuck jumps. If you'd rather clean up the habitats, do some jumping jacks. Would you rather be able to understand birds or be able to talk to mammals? If you chose birds, do some slow motion running. If you chose mammals, do some 180-degree spin jumps. Would you rather have a monkey living in your attic or a dolphin living in your bathtub? If you chose the monkey, put your elbows to your knees. If you chose the dolphin, do some floor touches. Would you rather see a clownfish in the wild or see a macaw in the wild? If you chose clownfish, you're doing butt kicks. If you chose macaw, skip in place. Would you rather track a tiger or track a bear? If you said tiger, do some star jumps. If you said bear, stand on one foot. Thank you for being part of the PhysEd Fit family. Be sure to subscribe. And if you liked this video, hit the like button.